y'all, it's Stephanie, and in today's video we have another tumbler tutorial. Let's go make this mat. So give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you know when we upload the next video. Alright, so in this video what we're going to do is we are going to be making this tumbler mat. This already has an epoxy coat on it. You can't do it without the epoxy coat on it because if you try to, it will take the design off. So you need your epoxy tumbler. We are going to be using the Barkeeper's Friend. This is the soft cleanser. They also have a powder and it works too. It's just really a preference. So we got the soft cleanser here. And then you're also going to be needing a steel wool. This is the 0000 Superfine. We use this one so that it don't make the deep scratches in the epoxy. There is a way that you could buff them out should you get a different one by accident, but it's very time consuming and difficult. So we have our tumbler here and we're just going to get it wet like that. And then we are going to take our Barkeeper's Friend. Well, maybe if I open it. Okay. And our steel wool and get the steel wool wet. And we are going to pour this on here. And we are going to scrub. And you can go in any motion you want. I like to start at the top and go all the way around in circular motions like that. And we'll just like this. And make sure we get every area like that. Make sure you have a reference point so you know where you've been. Make sure you get the edges. And right here I have a cleanup tool so that way whenever, if I have any other edges, I can go ahead and clean up the edges at the same time that I'm doing the rest of it. So as you can see, I have a little bit of epoxy here. Make sure that we clean up all those edges. Just like that. All right. And get back to scrubbing. Now when this cup is wet, it is going to look like it is still glossy. So we have that too. But this is a good way to do it. Make sure you get the bottom edges. Do the whole cup again. And you can start to fill it where it's going matte. So just, if you have tender skin, don't forget to wear gloves. And then so we're going to go and rinse this off. And then we will be back to show you the final results. Okay, so here it is. Nice and matte, as you can see. No shininess. Now on this one the epoxy wasn't quite thick enough, so let me show you what happens whenever you do it without making sure that it's thick. So this one I will have to redo, but that's okay. I just wanted to let y'all see exactly how to make a tumbler mat. So they turn out really nice and cute, and I hope you like this tutorial and you learn from my mistake. So thank you so much for watching. We will see you. Bye.